What's going on, guys? My name is KarQ. What's going on, guys? My name is Jacky. We're doing a couples noodle challenge, and we're gonna see who's gonna be the last one standing. KarQ over there and Kat. All right, so we're gonna see how it's gonna go. Okay. So first thing, we all got a packet of spicy noodle, and we got a shot of milk. Yeah, and then we also got a cup of water. Alright,
so the way this challenge is going to work is we're going to use the spicy sauce, we're going to mix it with our noodles, and the first person to grab a drink is going to lose.
Alright.
So let's do it.
And then we got our sriracha shirt on, so we're definitely not losing, alright?
we don't have any shirt on.
I have a shirt.
Yeah. But we still kill it. Alright, let's do it. Alright, let's start mixing.
This is the most important part. You gotta pour all of it.
Ooh.
You gotta take your fork or take some noodles and then like
wipe it clean.
Wipe it clean. Clean it out. Like
I can already see you sweating.
sometimes your throat can just already start feeling it.
Yeah.
It's gonna be so bad.
It literally hurt.
Alright. All done. Alright, so we mix it.
We should get our the extra packet.
I think this is good.
Doesn't smell that bad. I mean,
It's
It
not
smells
too
good.
Seems okay.
It is very good. It tastes really
Maybe
good.
because we're really hungry too.
That too, yeah.
Alright, so next
We got our noodles.
I already want the water.
All fully mixed up.
Alright, we're ready to go. Who are you betting on?
Not you.
Alright.
You're on my team, but
The
I'm
real
not betting
question
on
is
you.
who are we not betting on?
Alright.
Okay, so I'm gonna start sweating really quick. But
Cheers, let's try it. Here we go.
Alright, let's do it up.
Worst meal of the day.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I know, right?
Alright. It's not even that bad. Like, it tastes really good. Like, maybe it'll build up a bit, but first bite's
It
okay.
starts lingering because it's oil based, it'll start lingering in the back of your throat.
Tastes really good. I like it.
Yeah, I'll buy this again and eat it though.
Yeah. It's like the noodles, it's lunch. It's not bad.
Yeah.
How's this even a challenge? I think it's people who make this a challenge are those who just don't eat spicy food their whole lives. So this isn't that bad at all.
It's not bad at all.
Then again, we're missing one sauce.
Gotta represent the sriracha.
You can take the other packet.
Extra sauce.
I'll do it.
It's not bad, it's not bad.
It's starting to build up for me.
Same. I really want water.
I'm so...
I usually do eat this with water, so
Same.
it starts building. You're gonna regret the sriracha.
Oh. Not bad, not bad. Been up for you yet?
The challenge should be whoever starts sweating first.
Well, my eyes sweat so easy.
Yeah, that's one.
It's already starting.
I'm not sure you can see my pores, but yeah, my nose and forehead.
It's like
It
literally
starts-
every pore of his face starts sweating.
He's turning a bit pink.
How are you almost done? It just started.
Same.
Okay, it's actually getting spicy now.
Lunch.
The milk looks so good right now, but ain't drinking that.
It's really hitting me now.
Almost done.
Got the sniffles.
That's what you gotta do to cool yourself off.
Oh my god, you see his pores?
I don't know if they can see my pores, but
He's got a mustache. The mustache sweat.
I ain't touching the milk. Can't lose for the team.
How's KarQ done?
Done. The aftertaste starts kicking though. I need a tissue.
I'm starting to really want that water.
quickly turn on the fan.
Oh, it's lingering. Ooh, that milk looks really good. Finished first, but I won't drink it till everyone's done.
It's waiting for you.
Oh,
I'm almost done.
it gets worse actually, like a minute after you stop eating. Because when you keep eating, it keeps going down. And you distract yourself. But
all done. I'm good.
Tastes really good stuff.
So no water though.
the
Can't
guys
do
are
it.
finished. Pasa. Oh.
Thanks,
I'm
boss.
wearing a long sleeve.
Still got some?
I really want water.
Kat, we'll do it. It's for you.
No, we don't lose. We put some sriracha in there too, eh?
I did too.
I did too. No, it tastes really bad with sriracha. It's a weird spice.
Okay.
You look like you just took a shower or something.
He's turning red. I don't think I'm turning red right now, but I can feel it.
I really want the water.
You're almost done. You got this.
I'm gonna do it. Can I drink?
No.
You gotta wait till everyone's done.
No.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
I'm so thirsty.
To be honest, it's actually worse once you stop.
Once you finish, that's what I was saying. Once you finish, it gets worse.
Okay, if it's really bothering you, do it.
Actually,
It's starting
like,
to go away now, though. I'm good.
I can't.
Oh!
Thanks, Kat.
Alright, now she's doing it. We're drinking.
I'm good.
Ugh,
I'm good for now.
I was
I'm
close,
so
but
thirsty.
I almost got it too.
I got so thirsty.
He's sweating. If you guys zoom in on his face.
Yeah, I'm actually dripping. You're not sweating at all.
I don't.
Neither are you.
You feel it though after. We should have added more of the sauce, like
My eyes
a
are-
little quarter of each. Add a little extra drop from the extra one.
My eyes
good,
are
it's
really
good.
watering though.
You can do 2 times next time.
Two times I forget.
Yeah. See, it's like, it's spicy, but it's not like the worst. People saying it's like, oh, it's so spicy. But,
It just makes my mouth really dry.
yeah.
It's not bad. It's not bad. All right.
I have yet to touch my drinks.
But I mean, we already won, so
I
we're
know.
good.
At least I finished. Hee hee.
Oh yeah. All right, almost done
I
here.
should finish before me.
That was good though.
All right.
Last one.
What are your thoughts? You still didn't touch your milk.
I know.
Well, she's eating every last noodle too.
Yes, I can usually tolerate really spicy stuff, so I think I'm okay.
All right, that was fun.
I lost.
Oh my god, your pores.
I'm still sweating. I think I need more milk.
You can have mine. I don't want it.
All right.
I'll give my water and I'm good.
All right.
Thoughts?
Actually tasted really well.
Yeah.
Really good.
Honestly, like I actually enjoyed it, but now I'm not because like, yeah.
Those pores.
I'm so drippy right now.
Would you eat it again?
I would.
I'll eat it again with more noodles and
Maybe an egg or something.
If you were to just enjoy it and not for a challenge, you'd put more noodles, maybe half the spice, a
yeah,
little bit
dilute a little bit.
less spice, maybe add an egg.
Yeah.
You can like make it into like a water noodle.
Yeah.
I don't think it's as good if you make what? This is for water. I think you're supposed to have this dry.
Yeah.
Because the liquid, or the sauce is like paste or liquid based. If you have the powder, then you need the water. But
It's good.
Thanks
It's
for
good.
watching. Leave a thumbs up, leave a like, subscribe, and comment.
apparently we're all going to enjoy this meal another time because it was pretty damn good.
It was really good. If you have any suggestions for future challenges, comment below and we'll try our best to do it. But yeah, hopefully nothing spicy because I'm dying right now. I think we technically lost because look at Kat right now. She's totally fine. Like I'm the one who's dying here.
It's hitting me. It's actually hitting me.
It makes my like mouth so dry. Like
It doesn't. I've been drinking, but.
Yeah.
You want water?
I think that's enough.
Alright, so what do you think? What do you think?
That's really good. It's bad idea to wear a long sleeve, you know?
Yeah.
Alright guys, thanks for watching. If you have any ideas for any future challenges, leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching.
Alright, peace out!
That's it, thanks for watching!
Alright, so KarQ and I decided to make some eggs because you know the boys gotta get our protein in, right? But you know
we're still hungry.
KarQ hasn't been lifting lately, so
Nope.
you know, yeah, but he still needs his protein, I guess. Okay, that's it. Shut up.